Just a smidgen of chaos. We've been going for about an hour. No idea how much longer. Good morning. Camera's a little foggy, very humid out today. But today we are going to Ang Thong National Marine Park. Have no idea what this day will entail. Our tour was booked by our host, so we're meeting our guide now and we're gonna see where the day takes us. Just took a taxi ride in the driver's seat, basically. Just a smidgen of chaos starting this tour.
And by smidgen, it's a whole cup.
A whole lot of chaos. Well, we're off. No idea what's about to happen next. We've been going for about an hour. No idea how much longer, but they just passed out snorkel equipment. Sarah and I both got some nice pink snorkeling mask. So I think we're getting closer. Two-hour total boat ride later, we made it to our snorkeling spot. We can jump anywhere off the boat, so let's see how we do.
I think I'm gonna jump from the top.
You're gonna jump from the top? Whoa. Get after it.
How tall do you think it is? 30? 20?
Yeah, 25. Aim for the water. Alrighty, my turn. Gotta get in somehow. Whew!
Right?
God, salt water. Right up the nose. No, I was expecting salt water, but not up the nose. Alright, let's check out these fish. Unsurprisingly, the water is very warm and very clear, and it feels really good after a hot 2-hour boat ride. Lots of little fish. Wish there were some bigger ones, but still really cool to see like schools of fish just around. This is also a great snorkeling spot because I've never seen so much diverse coral before in like one place. So that was really, really cool. Sarah just said she agrees. She's further ahead of me though. Nothing gluten-free for Sarah. Thankfully, she brought her mango sticky rice from last night, and I had chicken fingers and rice. The sauce was way spicier than I thought it would be, so I had way too much. My mouth is on fire.
We really lucked out with the weather today. It's been cloudy all day and it's really nice temperature. So they were really worried about us kayaking earlier, if we were or not, and we're not. But right now seems to be the kayaking portion, so on this island there's a bunch of kayaks, and some people from the boat are hopping on the longboat, going to get the kayaks, and going to a lagoon. We don't know what we're doing.
Unconfirmed.
Oh, that's pure speculation and an estimated surroundings guess. And then we think we're gonna meet them at the lagoon. But we don't know. That's the beauty of literally not knowing what the strip is going to be.
Okay, so confirmed, we have ditched the people that are kayaking.
Full ditch.
Full ditch. They are going to be kayaking to the lagoon that we're getting a ride to. So honestly, I think we made the better decision not to kayak because we're seeing all this beautiful landscape. It's gorgeous. The rocks, the sheer cliffs, absolutely beautiful. The greenery on top of it.
So green. And
we don't have to paddle to get there just to see it again, so...
Yeah, we love kayaking, don't get us wrong. It's just like,
just too
what's
hot.
the point?
Yeah, I think we made the right decision today.
I agree. This is like a trampoline.
After a short but a little bit chaotic and crowded longboat ride, we've made it to the beach of the lagoon. Okay, so apparently the lagoon is a 15-minute walk away, and it's all up these very steep stairs. And apparently you can't swim in the lagoon, it's just a viewpoint. And these stairs are basically ladders going up these cliffs. It's beautiful. It's hard work. I don't know if you can tell, but it is pretty straight up.
I think that's...
I don't know, this way is the viewpoint, but I don't know what this way is. You wanna go on first? Or, okay, viewpoint. All right, viewpoint it is first. Well, we stopped at the first viewpoint and the views are stunning. The lagoon is super blue. The other views of the ocean itself are super pretty. Now we're going down the other side to get closer to the lagoon. Who knows if it's gonna be a mistake or not. Also to the viewpoint, it was like 5 minutes, not 15. I think this is gonna take 15 total to get down to the lagoon now, but these stairs are steep. Sarah decided she didn't want to join me to go down to the platform at the lake, or at the lagoon. Really pretty, really cool. Sadly, no swimming or jumping. It's really shallow where the platform is, so I don't even know if you'd want to go swimming there anyways, but really glad I saw it. Unfortunately, I kind of played myself, and I had to go down 3 extra ladders. Now I gotta go up 3 extra ladders. Whew, almost there, very sweaty. You feel that in every muscle of your legs. Oh yeah. That is the good stuff right there. Continuing on with the theme of we have no idea what's in store for us today. We got off the beach to the last place, got back on the boat. We were leaving. We're like, all right, time to head home. This was an awesome day. Nope. Our guide comes around and says, okay, next spot, we're going hiking. Sarah and I, who are in flip-flops, we're like, oh, what are we doing? He's like, hiking, 30 minutes up, 30 minutes down in the national park. We're like, okay. So here we are, hiking through the jungle, just sweaty as ever. It's beautiful. There's a few resting points. We skipped the first one because everyone stopped there, so we're just gonna keep going. And now we kind of have the trail to ourselves.
There's supposedly monkeys.
We'll keep an eye out for those and probably steer pretty clear from them, not gonna lie. Monkeys kind of freak me out. I just don't trust them, you know? I don't know what they're up to. I feel like they're scheming, you know? We made it.
We made it. So worth it.
Super worth it. These views are amazing. I mean, look at this. We have been up here for almost an hour. We have to boogie down the mountain, but we are literally the only ones left. It was us and 2 other couples just talking, and everybody else cleared out, and now we have the entire place to ourselves. Look at that view. I mean,
it doesn't get better than
totally worth getting nice and sweaty. The breeze up here is amazing. 21 minutes down, 25 minutes up. So we beat the expectation of 30 minutes. I don't know why every time we hear a time frame of something, we just have to go faster. But it's time to get in the water and cool off before we have to leave. Oh, that's nice. Look at it, sandy too.
It's really salty here, so I float a lot.
Floats a lot, immediately underwater.
that was so much fun. Like KJ said earlier, we had no idea what to expect, and we literally went snorkeling, hiking, and we saw a lagoon. It was an incredible day. We met incredible people. 10 out of 10.
This is like, days like today are the reason that I love traveling, because you get to experience like new things, which is always awesome for us. New places is great, but then also too, like the people you meet. Like whenever we do excursions, we always do excursions that obviously we want to do, and then you find people that also like to do that stuff because they're on that excursion. So like we met an Australian couple and a couple from the Netherlands, and we just talked and exchanged travel stories and just like such fun stories, and it was such a great time that it like really makes you appreciate travel, and it's really fun. Like now we have like people that we're gonna probably talk to, like if we ever visit Australia, like we're gonna message them and ask them to like hang out.
Coming for you.
Absolutely, like it's just great, and that's my favorite part about travel, I think, is like just all the experiences and the people you meet along the way. Almost forgot to wrap up the vlog tonight.
Hi.
But I didn't, I just remembered. The total cost per person was 2,000 baht for the tour, so 4,000 total for two of us. Totally worth it. We've done way more expensive tours that were way worse. So
and we did way less.
And we did way less.
So much.
We did so much today. It was awesome. You also could have kayaked, like we said. We didn't do that. That's an added cost, but whatever. We're exhausted, so we just ate some dinner. Now we're in bed. What time is it?
Can you see the time? 9:09.
It's 9:09 p.m. and we are going right to bed.
Right to bed.
Thanks for watching.
See
Good
ya.
night. We came down underneath because we thought we were done with our tour, so we wanted to get out of the sun. You definitely can't hear me right now, so why am I even talking?
I need you to keep one hand on that.
I'm fine. This is gonna hurt tomorrow.
Like, this is like shaky.
Good thing we're doing nothing tomorrow.
Give me a second.
I will.
Do I have to say anything?
No, I'm trying to just... There we go.
Hello!